In this video, you'll learn about stopwords. You'll understand what they are, what they do, and what they don't do. Then we'll talk about how you define stopwords and how LucidWorks processes queries that contain them. We'll assume that you can log into LucidWorks dashboard and that you have created at least one collection. Let's log in now. Enter your username and password and click Sign In. We're going to work with the default collection, so we click on Collection 1 down here to get to the Collection 1 dashboard. Stopwords are words that are so common that they don't add value to a user query. In English, the words the, a, and of don't really help in finding relevant results since they occur in nearly every document. Some search platforms completely ignore stopwords, but this means that some words can't be used to retrieve content at all. LucidWorks intelligently balances the impact of stopwords with the user's intent to find relevant content. Let's look at a few examples of how LucidWorks handles stopwords, and then we'll look at examples of each type. From here in the dashboard, mouse over the term Querying and click the term Stopwords. On the screen, you'll see the default list of common stopwords in LucidWorks, including the, of, and several other terms. LucidWorks will generally ignore stopwords in a query. However, when a stopword is an important part of a user query, LucidWorks processes the stopword as a regular term. What indicates that a word is an important query? One indicator is that all words in the user query are stopwords. In this case, LucidWorks treats it as a regular search and returns all relevant results. This is true whether the query is a single stopword or a long list of them, as long as all of them are stopwords. Another indicator is if the user has put quotes around search terms, indicating the search is for a phrase. Again, LucidWorks treats the quoted query as a regular search and returns results. Another common example is when a user applies search syntax to require a term. For example, adding a plus sign in front of any term implies that the term is required in the results, and any stopword entered with a leading plus sign will be processed normally. Let's see how all this works. We're going to search our collection for the terms Lucene and Solar and see what the results look like. We're then going to make Solar a stopword and check again. It's a best practice for search managers to check search results both before and after defining stopwords. So let's see what these two terms retrieve in our collection. I'll switch to the Search tab. I'll search for the word Lucene. I see we've got 40 results. Now I'll search the term Solar, and I see we have 19 results. Now let's look for both Lucene and Solar and see that we have 18 results. It looks like one of the documents that has Solar does not have the term Lucene in it. Now let's go back to the stopwords list and add Solar as a stopword. I'll click in the bottom and type the word Solar and click the Add button. I get immediate confirmation that Solar was added as a stopword, so now we can go search again. If I search for the word Lucene, I see I still have 40 results. If I search for the term Solar, I still get 19 results because as the only term in the query, it's not being treated as a stopword. If we quote the term and search for it, we'll still get 19 results because as a quoted phrase, LucidWorks is not treating Solar as a stopword here. Finally, if I type Lucene and Solar together, I'll see we get 40 results, the same 40 results that Lucene produced because Solar is in fact a stopword here. Now note that because of a quirk, the result list code highlights any and all search terms in the result list, even if they were not used to retrieve a document. So don't let that confuse you into thinking that Solar was used to retrieve these results. To remove a stopword, go back to the Stopwords menu, select the term that you wanted to delete, here the term solar, and press the delete key. LucidWorks results will be back to the original state. To confirm that, let's go back and run our last search again. Now instead of 40 results, we're back to the original 18, because solar is no longer a stopword, and we're searching for two terms ANDed together. Let's review what we've learned here. We've seen that LucidWorks handles stopwords differently than many traditional search platforms. It ensures that users will see results when they designate stopwords as being important to their query. In the video, we also saw how to create a stopword, how to test your results, and how to remove a stopword. And you saw that we always want to test our search results whenever we make changes to our stopwords. Thank you for watching.